Can you see my screen, bro?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. Now you can see this is the way we are going to alert. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, I already saved it and let me refresh. So now once I select this one and go to reset data source, then it will make the colors. Now I'm not getting any input. Okay, fine. So here you can see here, what is our condition? Greater than 40, not greater than equal we give. We given greater than 40,000. Means that it's leaving 40,000, okay? 1 minute. Hmm. Yeah, so see, you got it right. So whatever we created alert, so greater than 40,000. So if you make it like no greater than equal, where is greater than equal? Greater than 40,000. Greater than equal. Where is greater than equal? Greater than. Okay, greater than equal. Greater than equal. It has to come, right? 40,000. 40,000 also it has to make, right? Then you can see both are same only. Both are same only. Na? So first one is different. Greater than 40 only. So now I'm removing first one and I'm selecting second one. Let me refresh. Now you can do the refresh. Sorry, here. Select the customer, then you will get refresh last option. Reset data source. Now you can see 40,000 also selected. Got that difference. You got the difference, right? Greater than and greater than equal. Okay. And now I want to create one more exception. So that exception is less than 10,000. Less than 1,000. Okay. Less than or equal to 1,000. Less than equal to 1,000. It will be red. Okay. 10,000 or 50,000. Who are doing business 15,000 less than, it's bad. Okay. You can see symbols as well. So which color it will highlight? Is it highlight good? No. You want to show green critical. Okay. Not good. Okay. Save. Let me refresh. Which color it will display? We'll see.
Yellow color.
Yeah. Good. See here. We given like no what is the condition ma? So as of now we having two exceptions. As of now, we having two exceptions. One is greater than or equal to 40,000, that is in green color. Second one is less than or equal to 15,000. That means you can see all, everything it is going to less than only, right? These are all less than only. And remaining, I want to keep it red color. How you will do it? That will make it like, no? Okay. Okay. What is that? Between between 16,000 to 16,000 to 39,000, 40,000, 40,000. Which color? Bad. Basically, I'm doing reverse. And the last one I need to give red color. Okay. So here I will give critical 3. Okay. Here I will give critical 3. And this last one is there less than 15,000. I will make it as a I'll make it as a bad 3. Okay. They are not doing business as expected. Okay. You can see now good, bad 3, critical 3. You can see. Okay. Now you can see the operators as well. You can see between as well. Who are doing like no less than or equal to 50,000, they're bad marketing. And this is between in yellow color. But you can see. After do any changes and save it and refresh your report. Now you can do reset data source. Okay. Now you can see our condition is meeting. Here you can see 40,000 also in yellow color. That means what it is? 40,000 also it in. That means yellow color means what? This one. 16,000 to 40,000. That means you need to give 13,000, 39,000. Okay, 39,000. Here we need to give 39,000. Or else 39,000 like this you need to give. Now you will, then it will not touch that condition as well. So both are collating. So you should not give condition collating. Now we'll see refresh and 40,000 should be in the green color. Now you can see 40,000 green color and accept values you can see. Okay, clear, right? So, but SAP is telling that if you are using more exceptions, if you are using more exceptions, very important. By using exceptions. In the interview, also tell like this only. By using exceptions, we can highlight the colors in the report level. In the report level, but But SAP only saying that SAP is only saying that SAP only saying that SAP recommending that do not use more. SAP recommending that do not use more exceptions in the report level. It will degrade the performance. It will degrade the performance. So here we are using only max 35 records or 25 records. There is no performance issue. If you are using in the real time, it will take the performance. SAP only telling that. So while you are studying the concepts exception, so how if you want to study this material and you can do it one thing. I'll show you how you can go through the SAP material as well. Can go. How do you go? Let me go it here. Type here. Okay, SAP Learning Hub. SAP Learning Hub. SAP Learning Hub. Go to Learning Hub. Okay, it is asking you. SAP BW4 HANA Learning Hub. Okay, if you go here, you will get the all concepts. If you go below, you will get the material here. Getting and premise SAP BW4 HANA, implementing BW4 HANA. Just go inside and you can go to the material here. You can see below. So one is first chapter is introducing of your BW4 HANA. And second chapter is modeling info objects in BW4 HANA. Third unit is BW data modeling data flows, and loading master data to BW4 HANA. This is units only, SAP only given material, bro. Okay, if you want, I will share this link as I will share in the link. Okay, where shortly you can take backup. Okay. So you can read there and straight away we will not understand, but multiple times go through this all the concepts you will understand. But it will take a lot of time. Okay. Okay, here you can see all the options. Even if you want to go through the Bex queries also, you will get it inside. Okay. 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 These are the options we having in the exception level. Okay, you clear, right? So if you don't want to see, highlight these colors and right click and you can see the exceptions. Measure where we will get it? No, we cannot off or switch on. Okay, go to here and you can do switch off and then save it. No need to delete it, but just switch off and you can refresh it. I think we got option on, okay. Just switch off and normally you can see. And you can right click and you can make it on. You can make it on. I'm not getting that option. Where is exceptions? I'm not getting switch in on like conditions. Like conditions we cannot do. Okay, now you can go to the various options. I don't see any options here. And go here and you can act. Just do and act. Save it. Just save it. Make it active and save it. And then you can do refresh. No need to do all the changes. If you don't require, you can make it off. If you require, you can make it on. That's it. Clear, right? So this is the way we will create the exceptions and the conditions. Very important. Okay. Any doubt in that? Here we will not keep any. We will not keep any exception. I mean variables under like conditions. In the conditions inside we created variable, right? We are entering the value. That option is not available. So here you can see there is no variable option is there. You can give it this also. Okay, sorry, my bad. So you can give the value also here. You can select, go to here, but should not fall into other option. Okay, let me go here and same like NOP, please enter formula variable, top n customers. Okay, here top n customers, whichever we created, right? Same, I will do that. We'll see. Is it work? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay. This is I'm using for only good. Okay. Okay, save it. Let's see, we'll try, okay? I never used it, but we'll try. Now I'm using only variable for good one. Okay. It will reflect on only good one. Okay. Top end customers is coming. Okay. Top end customers will see. Top end customers I will give only three. Okay. No, this is meaningless. We need to create new variable for this. Okay. We need to create new variables. This is not working. Okay. So remove and you can create it. You can try it, this option. Okay. And then very important concept. Okay. In the real time, very, very important concept, variables. Now you clear, right? As of now, you clear, right? Exceptions, conditions, RKF and CKF, new formula. Okay. New formula, new selection. Clear, right? This selection, new selections. Now exceptions conditions we completed. Now we are going for variables. Oh, variables and into. So I'm variables and processing types. Okay, how many types this one? 5 into 5. We are calling 5 into 5. Okay, we are calling 5 into 5. Variables and processing types. Variables are 5 types and processing types are 5. Okay, now what are the variable types? First I'm explaining characteristic value variable, value variable, okay, and then text variable, very important. Without variable, there is no real-time report, okay. Without variable, there is no report in the BW. Hierarchy variable, hierarchy node variable. Every interview, every Bex query in the real time, we are using this one. Okay. These are the five types of variables: characteristic value variable, text variable, formula variable, hierarchy variable. So we cannot create a variable without processing type. So in this, we having five variables. Without processing type, I can't create this variable. So we'll see, okay, that processing types are five types. Processing types. Both are interdependent. Manual input default value, manual input default value, manual input default value. Second one is replacement path. Third one is customer exit, SAP exit, SAP exit, authorization. So these are the options under the manual input. So now I'm going to create characteristic value variable with the manual input default value. Okay, I'm going to create it. How we will create, we'll see. Now we don't have any conditions and exceptions. Okay, deleting this as well. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, where you will create the variables. Okay, you can go formula, and I want to give based on the okay. So now my query is this one. So it will not show any colors. My query showing like this. Okay, my query showing like this. Okay, once you see, click on this display. Click on display. Okay, now I can see the analysis of is like this. So I want to do based on the calendar month. I want to drill down it. So now I'm drilling. So you can see month, calendar year. You can see 2025. Everything is 2025. I don't want this one. So I'm keeping here again. I want to do in month wise. Okay, we'll see. Same months and different months are there. Okay, so now I will do it one thing. Go to Bexquery. Where is the calendar month? I'm selecting this option. Go to here, and where is the calendar month? This one. I'll make this as a always never. Okay, always to never, and save it. So I'm going to create variable on top of this one. Okay. Go here. I'm keeping here. Okay. I'll remove here. Sales are. I'm keeping only. So now we need to create one variable. Where is calendar month? Right click and creating the variable. See here. Straight away you are creating variable. What is the variable? Jedware underscore. I'm creating calendar month. Okay. Please enter value. Please enter month. Please enter month. So here you can see type of variables, processing types. How many types of variables you can click on here? You can make down in the notebook also. Okay. Later, while you are creating variable, you can see characteristic value variable, hierarchy node variable, text variable, formula variable, hierarchy variable. See here, this is only we discussed. Okay, now I'm selecting characteristic value variable and processing types. These are processing types. You can see manual input to default value, replacement path, customer exit, authorization, SAP exit, and SAP HANA exit is the new one. Okay, I never used it till now. SAP HANA exit, new one. Okay, these options. I currently am selecting it manual input default value. What is the manual input? Manual input means we have to give, we have to enter the value for the characteristic value. Characteristic value where you are creating, this is only reference. On top of calendar month, you are creating the characteristic value variable. You need to enter the value. So now click OK. Now click OK. Now you can see optional. Is it ready input or not? So I need to ask this one, ready to input. Is it take mandatory or without mandatory? So I'm selecting without initial. Okay. I'm selecting. It will be mandatory. Okay. Now in this situation, it is mandatory. Now I need to use this bex query in this variable in the query level as well. So in the query level, I didn't use it. Right click calendar month. We created a variable under the calendar month. We need to right click and restrict. Restrict and go to variables. Here we are into values. Go to variables and where is the which is our variable? You can see. You can see, bro. What type of variable? Characteristic value. What is the type of processing type? Manual default value. Is it like input type mandatory without initial? Variable represent single value. We are giving single value, not multiple values. So let me, okay. This is only we created. So now we can expand this option. Now we can expand this variable, save it. So this one only we created and using in the Bex query. If you are not using it, will not ask you. And now refresh it. Now I'm refreshing my report and it will ask you. See here, I make it as a mandatory. That is why star is coming. If you don't make it mandatory, it will be optional. Then it will not ask. Okay. Now I'm giving what is the month I want to give. What is the month I want to give? Select here. Select here. Oh, I'm selecting only June. Okay, how much flexible we are giving to the business? They will see only June values. They will see only June values. Where is the June value? So let me drag and drop calendar month and they will come to know June value. Okay, this is June only. Straightly I'm not selecting calendar month. Okay, and again you refresh it. Again you refresh it. Again it will ask and you can I want to select July. Now okay. See again it will not display calendar month because it is in the free characteristic level. Again I need to this one lactose. So now you can see July. Understood? How much dynamically we are giving input to the users. Manual input to default value means what it is. This is only manual input to default value means manual input to default value means this one. Manual input to default value means this is only when you are refreshing manually we are giving, right? This is only manually we are giving. That is only manual input default value. Okay, this is only manually we are entering value. We are giving manual input, not a default value. Default value means what? I will do one more thing. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll make it. I'll make it calendar month. Okay, I'll refresh. I will do input ready. Okay, what I will do, default value, I'll make it. Okay, default value. I'll select this one. I'll select this one. I will make it February. Where is the February? 2025 1. I'll make it January. Okay. And now I will save it. This is what it is. Default value is manual input default values. This is not manual input, but this is a default value. I'm trying to explain you manual what is the processing type manual input slash default value. Is it like manual input or default value? I shown you manual input before this one. Okay. Now we are not going to enter. I'm showing default value January. Okay. Now we need to save. Okay. Save it. Okay. Select this one. Let me remove because let me save this as well. Save this one. Close this one because we are using okay, right click and remove, and again we need to select, otherwise the changes will not come. Okay, I'm using this one. Now you can see what is the manual input which we given. Okay, that is wrongly it is taking. Okay, and we need to select and go to here. That is wrongly it is updating, reversely taking. We need to change it. characteristic value variable, current calendar month. Where is our last one? Double click. Default values. So it is taking wrong way. Okay. Uh, okay. 01/2025. Like this I will take. Okay. And close this one. And again I need to remove, bro. Remove it. And I'm selecting again. Okay. Otherwise it will not reflect. Okay. Refresh and save it. Now you will get the value. So now you can see properly this value. So I'm showing you difference. Okay. Okay. It will ask you input, but default value will come. See, what is the default value coming? If you don't want this one, and you can select August also. Okay, now you can see August value. Okay, better. Okay, so I don't know which this is August value or not. So when I drag and drop this calendar month to rows, then I will come to know, oh, this is August value. Okay, we selected August value, it is coming. So again, I'm refreshing. Okay, 1 minute. I will do one thing. This calendar month also, I'll make it available in the rows. So every time we are dragging drop, okay, I easily will come to. So now I will refresh. Again, it will ask you by default January only. See, by default, this is only default value. That's what I'm saying. Manual input default value. Manual input. Okay. So if you want to give manual input or default value. So I want to keep it only January. So now you can see January. Clear, right? This option. So I want to give manual input. Okay. I want to give manual input. Okay. Now you can see manual. So, so I don't want to give manual input. I want to see the only default values. Clear this option? Clear, bro?
Yes, no.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm closing this today for session. Okay, and we'll see tomorrow. Okay, this is how we need to do practice. Each and every variable we need to create and see it. Okay, okay, na? Sure. Bye.